Finally, an alert that I'm awake for.
This is a statement from the
And it's a winter storm warning. Ah, okay.
Significant icing. Snow and sleet accumulations up to 1 inch and ice accumulations between 2/10 and 3/10 of an inch. The areas affected include Bedford County. The hazardous weather conditions are expected until 3 a.m. Sunday. Impacts. Scattered power outages are possible due to downtrending. Any untreated roads or sidewalks will be treacherous. Travel is strongly discouraged. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency.
For some reason, they pushed this out as a winter storm warning. I don't understand it really.
For the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511.
Dude, this was down for a few days.
This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties in Pennsylvania, Adams, Franklin, Fulton, and York. Winter weather advisory remains in effect until 3 p.m. Sunday. Mixed precipitation. Snow and sleet accumulations up to 2 inches and ice accumulations between 1/10 and 2/10 of an inch. The areas affected include a portion of central Pennsylvania. The hazardous weather conditions are expected until 3 a.m. Sunday.
Nice.